Have you been shadow banned? Or have you been posting content consistently and yet you don't get the right engagement? People don't watch your videos. In fact, YouTube doesn't recommend your videos. Or have you been going live on YouTube and you go live, you just see one or two people come to watch your videos. Sometimes you don't even see anyone at all come to watch your videos. That means you have been shadow banned. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it, how you can remove shadow ban from your channel so that your channel can get the views and the visibility, so that YouTube can actually recommend your video. Okay, so but before we dive right into the video, my name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial video on YouTube growth tips and also AI tutorial. If this is the kind of videos that you love, do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to more people, and also share so that others can benefit from it. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. This video is going to be a quick one because this is an unplanned video. I just woke up this morning and I decided to film this video. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. Okay, so to remove shadow ban from your channel, first and foremost, we must know why they gave you the shadow ban. First and foremost, we must know the reason for the shadow ban. There are about 4 reasons why your channel can be shadow banned. Number 1 is if you fail their community guidelines. Okay. Then number 2 is if you use a copyright video or a copyright image, or if you use any copyrighted materials on your YouTube channel. Okay. That is the number 2 reason why you can be shadow banned. Then number 3 reasons why you can be shadow banned is engagement manipulation. Okay, meaning if you are this kind of people, you do sub for sub, sub for me, I sub for you, do this, I do this, and if YouTube find out, they can shadow ban your channel. Okay, so that is engagement manipulation, where you manipulate your way into getting subscribers, where you manipulate your way into getting views. Once YouTube find that, they are going to shadow ban your channel. Number 4 reason why your channel can be shadow banned is if YouTube detects any spamming activities on your channel. Spamming activities can be if you give them a reason, like for me, my channel got shadow banned. I'm going to use myself as an example. My channel got shadow banned. Okay. I can remember I made a live video. You can go and watch it. Okay. You can go on my channel, click on the live section, then watch my live video. In fact, I've even deleted some of those videos, but I left a particular one that just have only 3 people watching my live section. Okay. Then if I go live, I don't even get people watch my videos. I can go live for like 2 hours, 3 hours. Nobody comes to watch. Do you get? Nobody comes to watch. And I'll be wondering, what's going on? Do you get? So I made a video concerning that. You can go and watch it. And I went on a challenge that actually removed that shadow ban from my channel, and which I'm going to tell you in this video what I actually did to remove those shadow ban from my channel. So if you're still watching this video to this point, that means you are gaining value. So before we continue with this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video so that other people can see it, so that YouTube can recommend my videos to more people. Okay. So let's just go back into the video. So these are the 4 reasons why your channel can be shadow banned. I believe there may be other reasons why your channel can be shadow banned, but this is my own experience. I'm only teaching you from my own experience, my own knowledge. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. Okay, so for you to remove this shadow ban from your channel, first and foremost, you need to go to your channel, make sure that you don't have any video that is breaking any of their community guidelines. So make sure you go through all your videos, delete whatever you know that is a copyrighted material, whatever you know that is not your original content. Just go ahead, delete those videos from your channel. Okay, so once you do that, then the next thing you need to do is to start going live. Okay, just start going live every day. Make sure you go live every day so that YouTube will see your original self. Okay, just go live every day, every day. Before you go live, like 3 days or 4 days, that shadow ban will be removed from your channel. Yes, it happened to me because at a point I stopped getting views. Even most of the videos I've deleted them because there was no views on those videos. I had to delete them. Okay, sometimes I go live, I can stay on live for 2 hours, 3 hours. Somebody comes to watch my video, and I'll be asking myself, what have I done? Okay, so I find out that what actually happened to my channel was that YouTube detected a spamming activity on my channel. The reason for this is because I always delete videos from my channel. Okay, so each time I don't get views, or if I post a video and I don't get views like up to 20 or 30 views on my video, I just go and delete them. Okay, so and YouTube is always noticing I'm always delete. Sometimes I go live, no views, I will delete. I go live, no views, I will delete. I kept on deleting video. So I didn't know that that thing was sending a signal to YouTube. You know, it was sending a signal like it is a spam activity. You understand? So because of that, they shadow ban my channel. So what I did to actually retrieve back my views, and for me to start seeing views, and for YouTube to start recommending my videos back again, was I started to go live. I went live for 3 days. Every day I was going live. Every day I was going live. 2 times a day I go live. 2 times a day I go live. That was how I was doing it as in for 3 days, and the shadow ban was removed. Right now, if I go live on my channel, I see more than 100 people, more than 200 people come to watch my live. Before, I don't get to see such people. And right now, if I post video, I see more than 30 people come to watch my live, because, of course, my channel is a new channel. Okay, so you know, as a new channel, the views might not be that much. Okay, so if your channel is new and you're not getting much views, just know that this is the way it is on YouTube. Okay, so once your channel is new, it takes YouTube time for them to start pushing out your video, for people to start watching your video. Okay, so but the more you post, the more they recommend your videos to people. So you might not be seeing so much views. That doesn't mean that your channel is shadow banned. No, but your channel being shadow banned is when you know you used to get a particular kind of views, and you now post video, you don't get that amount of views anymore. Or you go on your live stream, you don't get that amount of views on your live stream. Then you now know that you are shadow banned. I hope you understand. So this is how I remove shadow ban from my channel. At this point, we have come to the end of this video. If you know you gain value, type in the comment section, I gain value. It will encourage me to bring out more content like this. And also, if you're just seeing my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share, so that YouTube can recommend my video to more people. Okay, I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.